Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Tech, where we break down the latest and greatest in technology. Today we recomparing the top cameras of 2025 from professional mirrorless beasts to smartphone photography powerhouses to help you decide which camera suits you best. Get ready to upgrade your gear. Before we dive into specific models, let's quickly understand the three major types of cameras available today. First up, we have DSLRs. These are your traditional, reliable workhorses, known for their optical viewfinders and robust build. Next, mirrorless cameras. They're compact, incredibly powerful, and packed with cutting-edge features that are constantly evolving. And finally, smartphone cameras, AI-powered, always in your pocket, and improving at an astonishing rate every single year. Each type has its unique strengths, and we'll explore them all. Now, let's talk about DSLR cameras, the classic choice. Models like the Canon EOS 90D and Nikon D780 are still incredibly popular among photographers who truly prefer that tactile shooting experience. They really shine with their excellent battery life, those clear optical viewfinders, and an incredibly robust selection of lenses that have been around for ages, get fantastic control and a very traditional feel. However, they do tend to be heavier, which can be a consideration for travel. And their autofocus in video mode isn't quite as fast or precise as what you'll find in newer mirrorless models, but for stills, they're still absolute champions. Moving on, mirrorless cameras are truly dominating the photography world in 2025, representing the exciting future of photography. Models like the Sony A7 IV, the Canon R6 Mark II, and the Nikon Z6 II are absolutely phenomenal. They deliver stunning 4K video, boast real-time subject tracking that's almost magical, and feature lightning-fast autofocus that makes capturing action a breeze. Plus, they're significantly lighter and more compact than DSLRs, which makes them perfect companions for vloggers, world travelers, and even demanding professionals who need portability without sacrificing power. If you're looking for innovation, this is where it's at. And then we have smartphone cameras, the champions of AI-powered photography. The line between dedicated cameras and our phones is genuinely blurring more and more each year. Take the iPhone 15 Pro, for example. It uses sophisticated computational photography and ProRW capabilities to deliver shots that genuinely rival dedicated DSLRs in many situations. The Samsung S24 Ultra brings incredible 200 megapixel clarity, capturing insane detail. The Google Pixel 9 Pro leverages Google's powerful AI for absolutely perfect low-light performance, making dark scenes look bright and clear. If convenience and instant sharing are your top priorities, smartphone cameras have truly never been better. They're always with you, always ready to capture a moment. So let's break it down to help you make your final decision. When it comes to portability, DSLRs are a bit bulky. Mirrorless cameras are wonderfully compact, and smartphones are, of course, ultra-compact, always in your pocket. For battery life, DSLRs offer fantastic endurance. Mirrorless cameras are moderate, and smartphones are usually the shortest-lived, especially with heavy use. Image quality is excellent across the board for DSLRs and mirrorless, and surprisingly good with smartphones, thanks to AI. For video performance, DSLRs are decent. Mirrorless cameras are truly the best, and smartphones offer great video capabilities with their AI enhancements. Price-wise, DSLRs are mid-range. Mirrorless tends to be high, and smartphone prices can vary wildly depending on the model. So, if you're a professional photographer demanding top-tier performance, go mirrorless. If you're a casual creator who enjoys a traditional feel, a DSLR still works beautifully. And if you're always on the go, needing something instantly shareable and powerful, your smartphone camera is truly your best friend. In the end, the best camera isn't always the most expensive, or the one with the most features. It's the one that genuinely fits your unique lifestyle, your creative vision, and your budget perfectly. It's the one you'll actually use to capture those incredible moments. Oh, which one would you choose? DSLR, mirrorless, or smartphone? Tell me all about your thoughts and your dream camera in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And hey, if you found this comparison helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button. Share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And of course, Subscribe to Smart Tech for many more awesome and insightful tech comparisons just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.